should be uplifting themselves. Who's the enemy? Putting shots on the shelf. What we need is brain food and belly food for our health. So don't get caught up in a petty passion. Be careful of them guns and ammunition. And let us make a change in meditation. Cause we could use the strength for cultivation. My God, beware. For the shot of them strap. Rastaman that tell the youth step up.
So my man Taurus Riley, beware. Nice song, I like it. But anywho, so real quick, folks, this one's gonna be short, sweet, and to the point. I put a video up a few weeks ago, and I was talking about, passing the same, like taking the same test again, and why the same thing, similar things keep happening, showing up in my life, right? This is personal, and it's this is a couple weeks ago, and I've been doing my meditations, my prayers, and my studying and stuff, and something came to me, and it was more like the reason why you keep getting tested over and over again. It's not that you're not passing the test. You pass the test every time. The reason why the test, you have to keep taking the test over and over again is because you continue to do the same thing over and over again. Right? So you got to take the test over and over again. Although you pass it, when you pass the test, you still going to do the same thing again. So therefore, you're going to get, you're going to get the same results. The textbook definition of crazy is you keep doing the same thing over and over again and expect a different result. That's the definition of crazy. So it's like that came to me that the reason why you keep taking this test is not because you didn't pass it, is because you're still doing the same thing. You have a pattern. You've created a pattern of behavior, your choices, your decisions. You have pattern, and it's synaptic, right? Synaptic neural network. The brain forms anything you do repeatedly. Your brain form what's called synaptic neural network, which is the neurons in your brain. They communicate by means of the synapse. So the synapse, once you keep doing something over and over again, the synapse form patterns, neural networks. They form networks of the neurons, and these neurons form neural networks. And the neural networks are reinforced every time you do the same thing over and over. That's why if you practice a guitar, if you practice a piano, if you practice any basketball, sport, whatever you practice in life, that's what they say. You repeat the repeated behavior, you become good at. So when we do things and we practice the same things over and over, we're going to always get the same results. And even though you go through it and you survived it, you passed it, you overcame it, you're stronger as a result of it. So you got those lessons, but the one thing you're missing is the pattern that you've subconsciously, psychologically created in neural networks. So you have to change, you have to go into the mind and create new patterns. In other words, you have to hijack, so to speak, the neurons. Your brain consists of billions of neurons. You have to hijack your neurons, and you have to rewire and re-network and reconfigure. Reconfiguration, the algo, the formula. And when you do that, then you won't keep repeating the same behavior and then getting the same results and asking, why do I have to take this test again? I've passed it before, God. And I literally was saying that, like, God, I passed this test so many times. Why do you keep putting me? It's not him. It's you, stupid. You keep doing the same. You're making the same decisions. You're using the same rationale, the same critical analytical thinking, the same deductive and inductive reasoning. And if you keep doing that, you're going to keep getting the same. So, I guess that's just something I'm going to share with you guys. If you're under the sound of my voice, that's a lesson I've learned. And I hopefully could help you in some way, shape, or form. If you find that you keep having the same occurrence in your life, you realize, like, you're 30, you're 40, you're 50, whatever, and you notice there's a pattern, like you keep going through this, you keep experiencing this. There's something in your subconscious that you need to stop. You need to recognize, first of all, become aware, and then do the work, which is the hijacking and the rewiring and the reprogramming and the reconditioning, the reconfiguration, and then only you'll start to get different results. All right. So till next time, hijack your brain, reprogram, rewire, and let's get some new results, some different varying results. Peace.